And what else was I doing? Sharing sound. It's been a minute since I've done this. I almost forgot how to do it. Okay, so breathwork, sound healing. Today we are. What is May's theme?
Um, I made my theme for sound like intentionality. So like being focused on being more intentional because we had our intentional writers workshop in person, which was so great, especially with the Rise Up experience and just being more intentional with our thoughts and our words and how we move in life after it. So maybe we can tie that in. That's what my sound bath was on, at least.
All right, sweet. I am doing the same. All right. I have to find my playlist. There it is.
Come
Yeah.
Brian.
On me. All right. So, breathwork and sound. We're going to get right into the meat and potatoes of it. We do have a free breathwork and sound healing next Thursday from what time? You're 2 hours behind us or 1 hour? Is it
2 hours.
Is it 7?
It's 7 right now.
All right. So we have one next Thursday from 5 to 6:30 your time next week. A free one.
Awesome.
Oh, that was Taylor. Ew.
You're releasing energy.
Call her out.
All right, so we're going to get right into the breath and sound and then take some time to reflect and chat at the end. We should be done here by 10:05, just depending on how things go. But yeah, 10:05, 10:10 at the latest. So you can lay down, get comfy, throw on your eye mask or shut your shades and be in pitch black again.
Oh, it's such a vibe, though. I don't know how I ever survived without blackout curtains.
So dumb.
That's my room.
Jeez.
I'm telling you what, I can't sleep without it now.
Yeah, I feel like okay. I'm gonna do a sound check because it's been a minute since I've done like a virtual. It's only been a month, but still feels like a long time.
You got all your farts out?
For now, I will move if I need to fart again. Okay. Can you hear me in the music at the same exact time? Yep. Okay, cool.
Yes.
I'll mute you. All right, sweet. All right, we're going to begin by closing down our eyes, getting into a comfortable laying position, and focusing on your breathing in and out through your nose. Today's journey is about intention, setting an intention for your life, setting the stage for your life, or through the transitions that you're experiencing right now, whether new chapters are opening, new doors are opening, or they're closing. Breathing deep in through your nose, slow and controlled, and exhaling audibly out through your mouth, letting it all go. And noticing the rhythm and the pace of your breathing. Setting an intention for yourself through this experience, whether it is something that you desire clarity on, if it's a direction that you feel you're meant to go and experience in your life, or if it's something that you're willing to have revealed to you, whether it's a mission, a vision, an opportunity. And inhaling in through your nose and exhaling out through your mouth. And you're going to continue breathing just in and out through your mouth.
Sorry, in and out through your nose. Breathing in and out through your nose for 3 minutes.
The easiest way to get into the meditative state
Breathing in
is to begin
and out.
by listening.
You to focus on taking inhale through your nose. And control and then out through your mouth. Into a space of stillness and silence.
I want you to listen to the sound of my voice just as if it were noise.
In
Don't try to make any sense out of what I'm saying, because your brain will take care of that automatically. You don't have to try to understand anything. Just listen to the sound. As you hear sounds coming up in your head, you simply listen to them as part of the general noise going on, and soon you will find that the so-called outside world and the so-called inside world come together. They are a happening, and everything is simply a happening.
breathing in
And all you're
and
doing
breathing out.
is watching it.
Just a moment here, we're going to move into the reset breath, but while we wait, just continue breathing in and out through your nose, setting an intention, setting the stage for what it is that you desire to release, what it is that you desire to receive. Take another deep inhale in through your nose, slow and controlled, holding your breath at the top for just a moment and letting it all go out through your mouth. And at the bottom of your breath, and at the bottom of the exhale, you can begin the reset breath with a breath into your belly, up into your heart, and out through your mouth. Belly, chest, and out. Maintaining a circular pattern, a circular rhythm of belly, chest, and out, where there's no pauses in between. You just keep breathing. In one fluid motion, 2 breaths in and 1 breath out. Belly, chest, and out.
You ever wonder why the kindest get the roughest ride? Or how the toughest ones don't share the pain they feel inside? You laugh the loudest, sing the lowest, we don't notice, right? As long as someone's laughing, that'll keep the joke alive. We had so many dreams, I guess we planned to live a life. Somehow we all ended working up a 9 to 5. If you don't fight to make it work, you only run away. If you can't face it, man, it hits you like a tidal wave. Those thoughts in your head might tell you you're
breathing belly, chest, and out. On the count of 3, affirm out loud with 1. It's safe for me to be in my body. 1, 2, 3. It is safe for me to be in my body. Breathing into your body, belly, heart, and out. Set your attention to the feelings that are rising in your body, the stories about the direction that you're meant to go in your life, the stories you've told yourself about where you're supposed to be, where you thought you'd be. Belly, chest, and out. Times that you've been redirected in your life to look at different areas of your life, breathing with intention and focus, belly, chest, and out. Remember that the tingling, the vibrations in your hands and your feet are normal parts of the process, and you just keep breathing through that. Belly, chest, and out. And the more that you can maintain this rhythm, the less tetany, the less tightness you experience. But when you breathe, you reveal something deeper within yourself. Deeper through the experiences and the stories that you tell yourself, peeling away the stories and the beliefs that you have of the experiences, the closed doors, the missed opportunities. You see them for what they really are. You begin to feel and see how much you take on from the world around you, from the people around you, responsibilities that you carry. And as long as you remember in your life, times where you were told to be braver, to stop feeling, to stop seeing, to stop crying. Times in your life that you've allowed yourself to be in a box. You've placed a glass ceiling on your own dreams and desires. Saying yes to projects and jobs that didn't always feel aligned or feel good for you. Maybe you begin to see and understand how you've been operating from a place of scarcity versus abundance. Feeling into your dreams and your desires, what you've wanted in your life. Asking yourself, is this the next right step for me? And breathe, belly, chest, and out. shaking your hands, shaking your feet. Seeing your breath move inside your body like a wave.
What does it feel like?
From the place of overwhelm, shift your focus into a place you
What does
feel
it feel like?
most free and alive.
So what does it feel like?
Where nothing around you matters.
To erase everything you had. What does it feel
Where you are
like?
happy and alive.
To fall in love again.
It's being at the beach and washing the waves. Maybe it's running with your dog or your animals. Go to the place that makes you feel everything is going to be okay. And see what that definition of freedom feels like in your body. Belly, chest, and out. Seeing that the things that you do and say yes to in your life, are they moving you closer to that freedom? Closer to that feeling of peace. And breathe, belly, heart, and out. And on the count of 3, I live my life with purpose. 1, 2, 3, I live my life with purpose. So breathing into that purpose, going through the highs and the lows of your breath. You're almost there.
They told me that I vanished. They told me that I had it. They told me that I'm gone. I told them don't panic.
Keep breathing,
When
Jess.
you've done it this long
Belly,
and you've seen
chest,
magic,
and out.
and you know it won't kill you, even when the whole world doubts it. This is my moment. They can't take my talent. They can't take my stripes. They can't erase my hours. I'm from the underground, anything above ground is a mountain. I'm done trying to impress anybody but the heavens where I'm headed. You don't get to hold on to your flowers. I am in my zone, eyes on the throne. 20K deep, better pull out your phones. Turning the arena to believers every time I hit the ceiling. Ain't nobody ever touching my show. Look at where we started, look at where we got to. Almost OD that night in the hospital. Wasn't gonna die, more life in the arsenal. Got another shot to pull off the
There's no
impossible.
need to cry for me. I'm a fighter.
Keep breathing.
Fighter.
Belly, chest,
You can't
and
take my
out.
voice from me.
Notice the
I will
story
rise
tell you
up.
you have to do more, that you have to be more, see more, have more.
So what are you
Say
waiting
yes to absolutely everything that empties your cup, that leaves you depleted, that leaves you overwhelmed.
The pain is where
Every yes that isn't aligned with your soul closes the doors. Belly, chest, and out.
Never played the game to be a contestant. Never joined the league to ride bitches. The winds hit different when they don't expect it. Yeah, and they ain't gotta like me. Got my own Nikes, no Nike ID. And I ain't trying to stop, man, but my logo went over the jump, man. I remember all I had was a bus pass, selling CDs to make a couple of bucks back. And now I'm up in meetings, and you better believe me, now that we got the arena, the Sonics making a comeback. I'm not a businessman, I got children, man. I treat my city like it is my fam. Till the residency gets a building, man. Think I'm playing about mayor, but that is my plan. You know what 50,000 feels like? When you question, is this real life? The money doesn't buy happiness, that's facts. Till you take what you made and decide to give it back like
cry
that.
for me. I'm a fighter. Fighter.
Notice where your breath takes you. Notice when you stop. Notice when you slow down, and you keep breathing. Belly, chest, and out. And on the count of 3, I rise up. 1, 2, 3. I rise up. Rising up into your power, into your purpose. See yourself, feel yourself saying no with confidence. And yes, with clarity.
Doing my thing, they keep chasing away, thinking that they're gonna be the one to outpace age. I must got Mick Jagger DNA, Rolling Stone bags, pre-check, no TSA. I'll be 78, SM58 in my face, like who wants to go next? Nobody's touching my stage. They head tripping like a B-boy, head spinning. I bench press the industry and I deadlift it. It's been written, I've been running, it's been a minute, been done it. I bet you 100 that I've been winning. The Ben's tinted, it's been vintage, yeah, Ben did it. The crib I live in is like Ben Stiller's, an evening in my house, a night at the museum. Trophies, plaques all over and the view's decent. At the end of the day, it's like who needs it? Player on player, gotta keep competing. Keep dreaming, won't settle for shit. It is a sport, it's my life, run the championship. I'm gone.
For me, I'm a fighter. Fighter. You can't take my voice from
Keep breathing, chest, belly, heart, and out. See your life and your experiences as this version of you for what they are, not the stories you feed and breathe. Belly, chest, and out. Notice the difference with the sounds. Notice the difference within your breath. Notice where you are. See where you are. Feel where you are. Belly, heart, and out. Feeling your face soften. Your mouth is closed. Unclench your jaw and open your mouth. Breathing belly, chest, and out. Breathing freedom, fluidity, excitement, joy, possibility. Belly, chest, and out. There you go, Jess. Feeling your muscles relax and expand. Feeling your palms facing the sky. Opening up your arms. Softening, receiving. Messages and the directions that are meant for you for life. Nobody else's opinion of where you're supposed to be matters. Belly, heart, and out. Notice your breath and breathe. Belly, heart, and out. Going back to that place in the beginning that made you feel the most alive. The feeling as you're there now. Belly, heart, and out. Keep breathing. Don't stop. Keep moving. This is your journey. This is your life. And how you breathe is how you live. Can you take yourself to a place of ultimate bliss? Letting go and detaching from the past stories and beliefs that have kept you stuck and small. Feel yourself walking into this space, expanding, getting bigger, and feeling as big as you possibly can. The light that follows you any place you go. When you are in truth, when you are on purpose, radiate. You are seen for who you are and what you have to offer and bring. Yes, you don't need to explain to anybody who you are felt. Hey, breathe your life. Feeling the unlimited potential that exists within you at all times. Remember this place of joy, the place of peace, the place of purpose. Place where you are one with God, with the universe. See how ask and shall receive. Possible. As we move into this last song, we will take a breath hold in just a moment by breathing belly, chest, and out. Belly, heart, and out. Belly, chest, and holding your breath at the top. Holding your breath at the top for just a moment. And if you feel the urge to breathe, just swallow. Hold in your breath here for 20 more seconds. Backed up into a corner. We've all been a son. Letting that breath go, let it go. Deep exhale out. For just a minute, just breathe here, in and out through your nose. Here, coming back into your belly, up into your chest, and out through your mouth. More powerful, more intentional, more focused on the energy that you're moving in and out through your body. Belly, heart, and out. Instead, we're chasing the sun. Instead of chasing the sun.
should be
belly,
dancing with fire.
and letting the breath go all throughout your mouth, sealing your lips, returning to normal breathing in and out through your nose, allowing all of this to integrate in your body, in your mind, and in your heart.
Feeling your body soften. Unclenching your fists. Relaxing your jaw. Dropping your shoulders away from your ears. Feel the earth beneath you rise up to support you. And just breathe. With every breath, feeling your body soften and relax even more. Noticing your heart rate slowing down. And your breathing to be steady. Allowing the sounds to wash over you as you continue integrating and sitting with your intention. Visualizing this intention as a glowing light inside of your heart. Watch it pulse, watch it glow, watch it expand with every breath. And let it anchor within you, strong and true. to take a deep breath in. Exhale completely and allow this intention to land in your heart. Another full deep breath in with a complete exhale out. Last time, your deepest breath yet. Exhale it out. Thanking yourself for this opportunity and this experience. Thanking yourself for going deep, even when it's uncomfortable. Thanking yourself for embodying this deep desire within your heart. And so you can begin wiggling your fingers and your toes and bringing some life back into your body. Bringing some movement. Maybe you take some more deep breaths. Stretch. And connect back to your senses, noticing what you hear in the space around you. Noticing what you can feel. And whenever you're ready, you can gently blink your eyes open and come back. There she is. I'm gonna go get Ash real quick as you keep coming back. Just kidding. I don't know where she is. Excuse me. I'm a texter. You can come back. All right. Well, Jess, I'm going to stop recording and then we can chit chat a little bit more after. But for those of you watching the replay, thank you for being here. You guys know all of the things. We'll, of course, send you a follow-up email. But thanks for spending some time with us, focusing on intention. Sorry for my coughing fit. I'm sick. It is what it is. All right, you guys. I'm going to stop recording now. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.